Shalom, shalom. What's going on, fellas? Ladies, obedient ladies, the ones who ain't go down there and put their man on child support. May the Almighty Creator bless you, and I know it's only 10% of you. But you other dirty ass, 90% of you dirty ass bitches, you know what I mean? Y'all ain't no good. Y'all ain't shit. And I'm gonna break down this video for y'all fellas, give you a easy comprehension of understanding. Okay, so I got the New York. My bad, but first we like to reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, you know what I mean? Declaration of Independence, the Bill of Rights, and fellas, this ain't no legal advice, but those 3 documents that form this corporation are your legal rights, okay? Did you know that? The Constitution is a legal document that has your legal rights on it. And if they violate your legal rights, especially the Bill of Rights, right? And the Declaration of Independence, not the Affidavit of Independence, because the Declaration is better than the Affidavit, right? Because the Affidavit ain't nothing but your sworn or affirmed shit stating that shit is. But when you declare something, just like for every country that has to go to war, it has to be with a stroke of a pen. They have to declare it. So the Declaration was declared. Okay? That is your natural legal right. Alright? Now we're going to deal with the child support application. Because the bitch, in order to destroy a nation, a country, what do, fellas? You hit up they women. You hit up the women folk because they're weak. Alright? That's why they call one man, but really is weak man. Okay? And the title of this video is called Obedience is Love. Obedience, and I'm going to put in parentheses, means inferior. Because the weak has to obey the strong. Okay? Because only the strong will survive. And under love, I'm going to put superior. Right? Now, check this shit out. Who checked this? 90% of women check this shit. Right? I'm applying for child support services pursuant to New York State Social Services law. No, social services cannot have a law. They have a what? Policy. And policy is not law. So they just hiding that shit because they own the services. That's their business and that's their law. Right? I hereby apply for child support services enforcement services pursuant to New York State Social Services Law. Section 111G and under Title 4D, right, of the Federal Social Security Act. Not Social Security Law, Act. The Social Security is your trust account, right? So when this bitch goes sign this shit at the bottom, right here, and your information goes in there as well, she just signed over all her rights, legal rights, for somebody to act on her behalf. Right? That's what she just did. She signed her children over too, your children. Because women, 90% of them are fucking wards and retards. Okay? And weak. Right? So they're trying to rule the strong with sheets of paper. Now we're going to go to Tennessee. Tennessee Department of Human Services. You ready for this? I broke this shit down so many fucking times. Nobody should be on child support watching these fucking videos. Nobody. This is the bitch. 10% is a punk ass nigga. The child support attorney handling my case represents the state, not me personally. You see that? See, and I'm gonna tell y'all something too. Let me tell y'all something. It's a lot of y'all that's worried about the way I sound, the accent and shit. But you know what? I'm not on child support. I don't sound like I'm a professor and I ain't got nobody out for child support. Okay? Look at this shit. I'm gonna break some more shit down to you. Look at this shit. The information that I supply is the source for any petition filed for me. The child support office will act to enforce and alternate residential parent legal support obligations. If the child support office determines any action to be improper or unwarranted, I will not take that action. I will give any information. Your baby mama's a fucking informant, a snitch. I will give any information or testify. So I don't know why. See, they made this up for the women right here because they snitches. And this testimony, only guys with testicles can testify. A woman can't testify. She ain't supposed to. But they letting her do it anyway. That a court finds to be false, the state may prosecute me for perjury. May. They may not. Mother, may I? No, you may not. And then say they will prosecute her. And I'm going to tell you how stupid and dumb these hoes is. These people are speaking on her behalf, right? She signed all these people to do her financial bidding, right? So that's why they have you to write out the shit to the disbursement unit, right? And they get her little stupid bitch ass a little piece. She don't get all of it. She gets a little some of it. Bitches are stupid. Real talk. And there's a lot of people ain't gonna like this video, but I don't give two fucks. I really don't. Motherfuckers wanna lie and say this is hate speech, and shut the fuck up. You know you're a dirty motherfucker. Now, we're gonna go to New Jersey. Family division. Look at that shit. Administrative office of the courts. Family division to divide your ass, right? This is my thing. Why are you dudes signing divorce decrees, right? Why are you signing this shit? You don't read the Bible? Huh? Let me get my goddamn book. Hold on. Wait a minute. If you ain't married, then you are not supposed, dudes in New Jersey, if you're not married, you don't belong in the family division court. You do realize that, right? Some of you don't. And what I hate is a lot of niggas seeing guys get off and they want to wait to say they didn't know, right? No, I'm going to tell you what you did. You've been hanging around niggas who've been on child support that's accepting the bullshit, accepting the dick in their ass, right? And you thought it was the noble thing to do. Right? It's not. You know how to say yes, and damn sure know how to say no. Yes, thank you. No, thank you. Because it's a fucking service. And when you fucked up is letting that bitch get your personal information, getting your social security number. She put that shit on that goddamn sheet of paper and they administrating your estate through the administration. An administrator is a manager. So they're managing your trust account with that social security, i.e. your all caps name, your person, your corporation, nigga. Real talk. And I'm gonna show you. Inferior. Let me show you some inferior shit. Okay, y'all ready? Hold on, let me fix my goddamn camera. I gotta fix that shit. Inferior. Having less authority and power in relationship to others. Inferior. Officer, subordinate, secondary, lower rank. Look at all that. Look at inferior court. See that? Hold up. Look at that. Administration. You see the definitions of that shit? Just giving it to you, man. Basic, simple shit. What that say? Administrative office of the courts. And I'm finna come out with a testimony probably after this one or later on tonight, and we're gonna come with the Father's Day. Come with the Father's Day live stream, and we're gonna talk about tort law. Okay? Tort law. Administrative office of the courts. Family practice. So they practicing on you and your family. Knowingly. They're knowingly doing it though. I don't practice shit. Now, hit us up. You want services? If not, go read a goddamn book. The shit is simple. It's easy, and y'all making this shit is hard. Y'all making this shit too hard. You know what I mean? She did you like that. She went down there and has to take somebody to file an application. And these pussy ass niggas ain't gonna tell you this. That's where the shit starts at. Hit us up. Peace.